Let's go. Okay, guys. Hello, everybody. Welcome to this live stream of the blockchain today. Right now, if everything is good, we have a better connection and it should be doing really good right here. So I hope everybody right now is getting the notification that we are going live. And yeah, it would be awesome if the subscribers are tuning in right now. So guys, before we are hitting the Bitcoin charts and so on, let's do like we always do. Let's scroll below this video and hit the thumbs up button, guys. But next to that, share in the live chat right here from where you are tuning in, what time it is there, what you were doing, and let me know, guys, did you got a notification that I go live? Okay, we got somebody watching soccer in the Netherlands. Feyenoord, hello from Finland. Sounds good. Okay, awesome. I guess the connection right now is better than the previous time, so it should be better as usual. So let's see if that also affects all live streams. So guys, let me know if you got a notification of this live stream. Let me know that you got that notification. So I know that the YouTube algorithm is working clear. Yeah, much better, much better. Okay, thank you, Thomas. Thank you, Thomas. Hope I'm not distracting you too much with crypto while watching soccer. It's the most important thing in the Netherlands, right? Good to be here. Awesome, awesome to have you here, Tev, Derek. United States, Charleston, here. Yes, I did. Okay, you got a notification. Awesome, guys. That is really good. No, Chris of Crypto didn't react to the tweet I sent out. No, I didn't got. I also didn't reach out to email or something. I just posted that tweet. So yeah, I also didn't expect a reaction. But yeah, he didn't react. He didn't react. Might be in the future though. Watching from Nigeria, I got the notification and it's midday here. Okay, awesome, guys. How many people are right now on the stream? We have 26 people, 4 likes. Guys, let's get that likes as high as possible right in the beginning. So YouTube is going to push this video to more people. And yeah, we are going to have a bigger live session. It will be awesome. Hi Jeroen, got the notification saying Sinne. Awesome, guys. Awesome, guys. So something happened like in the last couple of weeks. The views on the channel really went down. It might be sometimes, I was thinking like what could be the reasons, you know. And I got a lot of messages from a lot of people like saying that my videos disappeared on their wall, that they couldn't find my videos anymore, only when they clicked the link. And so on. So it was a little bit weird, but yeah, right now I see that a lot of you did get the notification. So yeah, maybe the thing, maybe it got fixed. I did a tweet out to Team YouTube, and thank you everybody who retweeted and liked that tweet. It definitely helped. We got quite quickly an answer, not the answer that I wanted from Team YouTube. They were not really like transparent, but maybe it triggered something. Maybe somebody of them looked at it, or I don't know, but right now it looks like it is good, right? Hello, Jerome. Hello, Victor. Indonesia. Hello, Selamat Malam. Hello, guys. How many people right now? We have 31. Awesome, awesome. So, first of all, guys, I wanted to ask you, like, did you watch today's daily upload? Because I think today's video is actually quite interesting. Like, I'm sharing my thoughts about Bitcoin in the macro perspective. A lot of you guys asking me, like, what's going on with Bitcoin top? Are we going to see a top soon? Because we have, for example, this indicator, right? The peace cycle top is, if we really zoom in, like, it's almost crossing. And the previous time we have seen this peace cycle top indicator cross, it marked the Bitcoin top. So yeah, it is definitely something to think about, although there are not that much data points, right? We have like 3 data points. They were very, very accurate. That is the worrying part, yeah. But yeah, not that much data points. Enough that I would say like we can rely solely on this indicator. If this would be an indicator and a lot of other charts would align similar to this, also stating a Bitcoin top, yeah, I would stand different in this story, to be honest. But right now, it's just this indicator right now. And I don't think, if I compare the cycle right now, I don't think we are yet in that euphoric stage. And that is as well what I was sharing in today's video, guys. I think we are going to enter the euphoric stage very soon. And that is going to be a crazy stage where prices are going through the roof. And we have seen that 2016, 2017, it was actually mainly 2017. But yeah, at one moment, everybody was into crypto. Everybody in my environment, everybody was into crypto. When you go to the bar, everybody's talking about crypto. When you see someone showing his phone to someone else, it was not some guy showing off his girlfriend or whatsoever. No, it was one guy showing his blockfolio to another guy, or something crypto related, right? This is what we have seen in 2017. It was really crazy. I was in Indonesia when that happened, and literally everybody was talking about crypto. Everybody knew about it, and I see similar things right now. I'm getting messages from people I haven't spoken in a very long time. People from high school sending me messages like, "Hey, Jeroen, which crypto should I buy? I bought this and this altcoin. Do you think that's good? Or how high do you think Bitcoin goes? Or is Bitcoin going to drop?" All these standard questions, right? And this is something we also had in 2017. But I think right now we are not yet in that stage where we are really getting to that euphoric stage. That's what I think, because the euphoric stage is really when retail money also is making a lot of profits. So you guys will have even more profits because most of you guys most likely are here already for a longer time, right? You didn't jump into Bitcoin when it was 50,000. Like could be maybe some of you, but I think the majority of right here people on the channel mostly jumped in when we were trading right here. Like I'm since the drop right here, I've been actually since the top at 20,000, I've been accumulating. But in this period, I've been really heavy accumulating Bitcoin, making also daily videos right here on the channel. And we really got in early on the cycle, which right now we are actually profiting a lot from, right? So that is quite nice. But I think the people who are jumping in later in the cycle, so if we have a look right here at 2017, so let's say if you would jump in right here. So this was if you would jump into Bitcoin between 3,000 and 4,000 US dollars approximately, then like this whole period you would be in extreme profit, minimum 2x, maybe even 4 to 6x, eventually topping out at 20,000. It's not a long period where the retail is in profit, a couple of months, maybe half a year or something. Depends, I don't think we are going to replicate the cycle which we have seen in 2017 exactly right now, but we can just use this as a point of historical price action which we can use to analyze, right? We can compare the stages of the cycle what we have seen right here. So I think that's quite interesting, and I would say that we would be somewhere, I think really roughly said, we would be somewhere right here in the cycle. And maybe this cycle is going to extend a little bit. Maybe we will top out this year. Maybe it's going to be the beginning of next year. I think, looking at the price right now, I think it does make sense if we top out this year. I think it does make sense, but it's very difficult to predict that already early on, right? We have to monitor the price very closely, and we have to see the signs once the price is showing formations of a top. We have to be careful then. But what I basically want to say is that right here, when a lot of retail investors are jumping in and everybody's talking about crypto, there comes a period where they are also going to be in profit. So most people, they always think like retail is losing money, and in the majority of the cases, retail is the most of the time the sector which is losing money, right? Who's entering the stages in the cycle in the latest stage. We also see that in the .com bubble, right? We first have the early adopters, people who really believe in the internet, investing in these companies. And afterwards, when it really hits the mainstream media, so to say, everybody is invested in companies, in his or her company, which he and she thinks is going to be the next big thing. And that we most of the time is sign that we are getting closer to a top. But like I said, right now I don't think we are close to a top yet. However, I do think we are going to enter soon these stages of euphoria, and that is an important part of the cycle, and it's good to be aware of that we are getting closer to that. That's what I think. And the stock to flow model, yeah, I do think stock to flow model shows a lot of significance. And in my prediction, if we are going to enter the euphoric stages right here, we still can reach $300,000 price for Bitcoin. That's definitely possible. We can definitely do a 6x or 5x from here. That is possible in the euphoric stage. So that is something to take in mind. I'm just talking about the time frame right now, that it might, yeah, we have to realize in which part of the cycle we are right now. So guys, what is going on? What is going on? How many people are right now in the live stream? We have 52 people in the live stream. Okay, that is already way better than yesterday. Guys, would be awesome if every one of you can scroll below this video, hit the thumbs up button. That would be awesome. And let me know in the live chat, guys, which charts you want me to have a look at. So let's first start off with the Bitcoin chart, right? We haven't really talked about Bitcoin TA today. That's why I felt a little bit guilty. I thought, okay, I should do a live stream with you guys and yeah, go a little bit over the price of Bitcoin. So I have been talking so much about this level, right? The 78.60%, the blue level right here, which I think is a key level for Bitcoin. Normally with topping formations, which is something we are seeing right here. We are seeing like kind of a topping formation, some similar formation right here, kind of similar formation right here. Then the 78, normally the 61.80%, but the 78.60% is also a key level and sometimes even more significant than the 61.80%. And yeah, as you can see, this level acted as resistance and we couldn't break above this level yet. So yeah, I think this is one of the key levels for Bitcoin right now, which we have to break above in order to really become bullish again. And I think right now the majority of the focus is with altcoins, and we can also see that in the Bitcoin dominance decreasing and altcoins going through the roof, right? So yeah, guys, what about Ethereum? Okay, we can have a look at Ethereum. Are you in Thailand? No, I'm in Indonesia. Ethereum, please. Ethereum. Can you have a look at VeChain? Yeah, we might have a look at VeChain. We could do that. Yeah, let's first have a look at Ethereum. Let's go to Ethereum. But guys, before we go to Ethereum, make sure to all drop a like down below. Very much appreciated. But also I want to show you this sign on the RSI right here. We have a declining resistance, right? And I think this is important to watch for everybody who's trading Bitcoin right here. We could be getting a rejection, another rejection from this level, which could show us that we are going to see some more bearish momentum. But we can also break above this level. But I think these signals in the RSI, these yeah, can be very significant and can sometimes already tell us earlier on where the price, in which direction the price is going. So yeah, so let's do that. Let's first have a look at Ethereum. Let's go to Ethereum in the US dollar comparative, because Ethereum, like in the US dollar comparative, is looking very bullish, and here we can see it as well, guys. Yeah, this is an awesome example, and I teach this to everyone as well, my cryptocurrency trading course, guys. Right here we have a nice pattern in the RSI, declining resistance, and here we break above this declining resistance, Ethereum US dollar. And the moment we break above that declining resistance, that is this candle right here. That's a single day, guys, before we actually see the breakout. So these signals in the RSI can already show us one day ahead that we are going to see the price breaking out as well. That's why I could be so prepared for this breakout, and because we already saw the signals right here. Excuse me, yeah, so that is, I think, very important. And right now, also the thing that I've told you guys is Ethereum going to break above previous all-time high. And the best way to re-enter this is to take the retest. And right now, we are seeing the retest. So we broke above previous all-time high right here. Let's say roughly $2,000. We got all the way up to approximately 2150, slightly below that. We're now coming back and we are now testing the former resistance, which is the previous all-time high, as new support, which is a very bullish signal. This is looking good. RSI is not yet at overbought, that much at overbought conditions, slightly trading above 50 at 63 right now, which is a good sign. So this is Ethereum in the US dollar comparative. In my opinion, right now is looking good. It's looking good. Unless we are not seeing a huge dump in the price of Bitcoin, this is looking good, guys. Let's go to Ethereum in the Bitcoin comparative. And guys, look this is really beautiful. Look how much these lines are being respected. I'm going to talk about this, but before, guys, let's all drop a like down below, guys. That's very important, so we can get more people right here in the live stream. That would be awesome. Let's check if we can get 50 likes right here. That would be great. And yeah, guys, so if we have a look at Ethereum in the Bitcoin comparative, this is a chart I have been talking very much about in the past, which actually was looking bullish. Actually, we were talking right here when we had Ethereum was overvalued in the Bitcoin comparative, right, hitting the top of the channel right here, and afterwards we're coming down and making a falling wedge pattern, normally a bullish pattern, right? Makes sense. And let's just check the Fibonacci retracement tool from this move slightly. Yeah, so it makes a lot of sense. So we have this falling wedge pattern right here, going slightly below the 61.80%, right? Price is moving sideways, but the RSI is moving up. So we know that bullish momentum is building up in the background, right? And I've been making multiple videos here, guys, saying to you that this is the time to accumulate Ethereum in the Bitcoin comparative. And I also said that you have to have patience, because actually I've accumulated right here at the breakout, and I didn't took profits right here. So we came back down and we're moving sideways. But I've held on my Ethereum position, and I've even added onto my position right here, because I knew that the market conditions are laying in the favor of the trader. So right here, the chances that we are going to sooner or later take off are just increasing. Increasing more and more. We had a nice retracement, right? And if Ethereum wants to remain in this uptrend in the Bitcoin comparative, then yeah, we are going most likely see a launch off here with this bullish divergence on the daily time frame. But yeah, it's not a exact science, right? So we don't know if it's going to launch right here, or a couple of days later. That's also what I said. You have to have patience with this stuff, you know. That's very important. But yeah, now we are seeing the launch, and let's have a look at some levels. The first level that I was watching was this level. This is the former support of the uprising channel. We just broke above it. Really awesome. The next major level was the previous resistance at approximately 0.035 approximately. And yeah, right now we broke above it, back tested, levels acting as support on the daily time frame. So far this is actually looking quite good, guys. This is looking really good so far, actually following the exact plan where we have been talking about in the past weeks. And you guys know the sentence, right? Bull market is for altcoins, and bear market is for leverage margin trading. And yeah, in a way, kind of it makes sense. I think I really want to take advantage of certain swings in the markets. And when we are seeing the Bitcoin dominance decline and we are seeing an altcoin season, then that is really a moment I want to take advantage of the greed in the market, swing trade altcoins and get more Bitcoin, right? When alt season is over, I want to be positioned back in Bitcoin and focus more on margin trading and so on. But yeah, that is what I think is important in these markets, to take advantage of certain situations. So guys, what's going on in the live stream? XRP, Litecoin. I actually wanted to make a separate video about Litecoin today, because Litecoin on the weekly time frame, guys, is looking actually super interesting. So guys, who all wants to have a look at Litecoin and have a look at this super interesting signal that we are seeing? Let me know in the chat, guys. And yeah, let me know which charts you want me to have a look at, and I will in the meantime have a look at how many people are right now in the stream and how many likes we have. We got 60 people, guys. That is really amazing. We are getting more and more people right now. That is way better than we had yesterday. It would be awesome if everybody of that 60 people can scroll below this video and hit the thumbs up button, and also make sure to subscribe to the channel, guys, if you haven't done that already. And yeah, then for every single one of you who is interested in that, we are organizing a giveaway with Prime XBT right now. You can get Satoshis, and we don't have a lot of participants yet. So yeah, guys, I'm going to share this tweet right here, and if you want to participate, you just have to like and retweet this tweet, follow me on Twitter, and join Prime XBT with the link down below right here to claim your prize, of course. Then guys, let's first go to the live chat. Everybody like, hello Manuel, awesome to have you here. Litecoin, Coffee, and Beefy. Beefy, that sounds funny. It reminds me of this this sausage. Does it call beefy sausage? I think we have in Holland like some sausages called that, so that's actually quite funny. No, I want to show you guys Litecoin. I want to show you guys Litecoin because it's looking actually quite interesting, and I also want to hear your your opinion about that. So ADA we can also have a look at. We can do it. Okay, so guys, let's go to Litecoin. Let's go to Litecoin in the Bitcoin comparative, and this chart is actually looking quite scary. Because look at this downtrend we have right here. We have like, bam, a huge downtrend. And from the all-time highs in the Bitcoin comparative right here in 2018, after Bitcoin topped out. So after Bitcoin topped out the bull market in 2017, we saw a major altcoin season. We can see that here, bam, Litecoin in the Bitcoin comparative just increased like rapidly. And yeah, so afterwards we still had an altcoin season. If we right now look how far we are from that all-time high, then we are 86% away from that all-time high. Previous, the all-time high of Litecoin in the Bitcoin comparative, which is quite crazy, right? And the interesting thing right here is that if we go to the weekly time frame, daily time frame is looking quite choppy, and that's normal with altcoins. Some altcoins are quite choppy. You also have to be careful with that, right? So that you don't get stopped out too quickly out of your trade. Make sure, I would say, if you're trading altcoins, unless it is a very safe trade, just use spot trading. I think that's good. You can trade spot trading over on Binance, and some pairs you can do on Femix platform with 0% fees. But right here, if we look at the weekly time frame of Litecoin Bitcoin comparative, and I bring up the RSI, bam. What do we see right here? We had a nice capitulation, bullish divergence weekly. We got a huge increase, huge rally of approximately 170%, guys. That is amazing. We see a further capitulation to the downside. Bam, we got a new bullish divergence on the weekly time frame. These are the charts I like to trade, to be honest, because this is just looking like it wants to make a reversal. And we are not seeing the firework yet. So this is something to take in mind. Like we're not seeing the firework yet, but we do seeing price moving downwards and the momentum is building up. So I think Litecoin, especially in the Bitcoin comparative, is looking very good, guys. So guys, let me know what you think. What do you think is Litecoin looking right now in the Bitcoin comparative? Do you see the same thing as me? Are we on the edge of a reversal right here? Guys, let me know in the chat right now. Yes, I knew it. Hello, bro. Uni USDT. Yeah, we can have a look at Uni. Uni is also looking interesting in its own way. So yeah, we could have a look at Uni. Definitely, guys. Definitely. Lead and Nano. Guys, but let me know. What do you think of Litecoin here? Do you think this chart is looking bullish? Or do you think that we could see a further capitulation? And guys, how many people are right now in the stream? We got 59, 93 people. Wow, guys, this is getting better. The stream is warming up right now. That is good. All of these 90 people watching right now, make sure to scroll below this video, hit the thumbs up button so we get more people in the stream. That would be amazing, guys. Let's get as much likes as possible. YouTube will push this video to a bigger audience. That's awesome, guys. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure to subscribe down below and to drop the altcoin you want me to have a look at. Watching from Cameroon. Okay, awesome. Litecoin USDT is looking good. Okay, let's go to Uni. Let's have a look. XLM we did yesterday with the bad connection. Let's first go to Uni. Let's do Uni in the. Okay, we got a request of US dollar Tether, so let's do that one first. But also let's have a look at the Bitcoin comparative, of course. So guys, weekly time frame is looking good, right? Like I would say this is actually looking quite good. We have an all-time high right here, Uni and US dollar comparative, bam, at approximately, what is it? Approximately 15 US dollar. And what I'm going to do right here is something what I'm doing very, very often, and that is I draw a horizontal line right there, bam. And what we can see then is that the moment we break above this previous all-time high and we leave this area of price range, we enter a new area, we backtest this level, maybe we can even make a zone out of it, and this level acting as support, and Uni so far is taking off. And something bullish, guys, is the following. Like normally this is actually a trick, and if you guys are watching me for some time on YouTube, if you guys are following me for some time, you know this already. But for the ones who don't know this is actually quite interesting, and you will understand more about the RSI. So right here we can see prices moving up, but the RSI is moving down, coming along with bearish divergences, right? But we don't see the price breaking key support because we are still trading above, what is it, like an uptrending support right here. So that is quite interesting, right? Bearish divergences, but we don't break any support, price is moving up. And normally a bearish divergence is a bearish sign, but in this case, guys, it can be a bullish sign because the price is moving up and the RSI is moving down. It's creating space for more bullish momentum. So we have a resistance right here, the RSI is coming down, and then but the moment we break the resistance right here, we have a lot of space to go to the upside, a lot of space for bullish momentum, and Uni can continue its uptrend, continue to take off right here. So that is interesting, guys, that even bearish divergences in some markets can actually be a bullish sign because it means that the RSI is retracing farther than the price. But yeah, the majority of you guys know that, of course. But yeah, if we were to break this uptrending support and we have combined bearish divergences, then that can lead to a further drop in the price. So that is something important to point out. Then go to Uni in the Bitcoin comparative. Looking very interesting as well. We have been talking about it yesterday, right? This is our buy zone, 61.80%. We got an exact reversal at that level. Right now, we are breaking above the 50%. Looking good. If we get a daily close above it, would be awesome. I think we could expect a continuation right here. Maybe this uptrend is not that significant anymore. So two levels right here in Uni are very, very important. Before I'm going to point, actually one level, one signal. Before I'm going to point it out, guys, I want to check how many people are right now in the stream. If we already surpassed 100. No, we are almost having 100 people, guys. It would be awesome if we could get the stream to 100 people. So make sure everybody scroll below the stream, hit the thumbs up button. That was very much appreciated, guys. Much more people can join the stream right here. But okay, let's go back to Uni. And that is, first of all, we have the horizontal resistance right here, which is already a resistance we got rejected for 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So if we, another time we test it, I think the more we are testing this level, the bigger the chances we are going to break above it, right? Once we are breaking above this level and this level is flipping into support, and that is going to be a very bullish signal for Uni in the Bitcoin comparative. And how do we know that we are going to break above this level? Well, same as with Bitcoin, guys, or with Ethereum. Right here, we are going to break above the declining resistance in the RSI. This is going to be the first sign telling us that we are going to see bullish momentum, Uni in the Bitcoin comparative, and most likely test the horizontal neckline, we can call it right here, and yeah, and might see a breakout, So guys, what is going on in the chat? Guys, let me know, everybody, from where are you tuning in right now? I'm right now in Indonesia. I'm not sitting at my place. I'm close to my place, but I'm at a place where the internet is slightly faster. It's super hot here, though. We don't have, I don't have the aircon on. I don't know how I can turn it on right here. So it's really like a tropical TA session right here. So guys, okay, we got somebody from Holland, Manuel in the house. What do you think about Incur? We could have a look at that. I don't know that much about that project. We got Philippines in the house, USA. And guys, what time is it? From what time you are tuning in right now? Right here, it is 8 o'clock in the evening. We got another Dutchie in the house. Hello from Thailand. Awesome, Thailand. I just started with Muay Thai boxing. I really like it. Are you Indonesian? No, I look Indonesian though. No, I'm from Holland. I'm from the Netherlands. But I do live in Indonesia, yeah. We got somebody from India. 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock in the Netherlands right now. 7 a.m. Sunday morning. Chainlink, yes. Chainlink is going to be one of the charts we are going to have a look at. Almost right now, guys. I just want to have this, want to read where all of you guys are tuning in from. Canada, 8 a.m. in the morning. Can you have a look at Tron? Yeah, we might have a look at Tron in a bit. Chainlink is going to be next on the list because Chainlink, very interesting, looking very, very good. Philippines, same time here, 9:56, April the 4th. Greetings from Singapore, awesome, Enli. Greetings back. Thoughts of Safe Moon. 1 p.m. Isle of Man. Awesome guys, awesome guys. Okay, let's start with Chainlink. Yeah, let's go to Chainlink. If you guys have any questions or you want to share any stuff, any charts that are on the edge of breaking out, then let me know in the live chat right here. But before you are typing that in the live chat and let me know all the most important stuff or things you want me to have a look at, make sure you scroll below this video and hit the thumbs up button, guys. And we got over 100 people watching the stream right now, which is awesome. Truly amazing, guys. Thank you so much. This is the stream. This is awesome, guys. Best community on YouTube. Let's dive into Chainlink. Okay, first of all, let's go to link in the US dollar comparative. We have been trading the breakout, right? I even made a emergency video right here, guys. The moment we're breaking out, bam. I also said after this breakout, most likely we will be coming down and backtest former resistance as new support. It's acting as support, which is very bullish right here. We also had a nice breakout, backtest, acting as support. It looks like Chainlink is going to continue this uptrend. So Chainlink in the US dollar comparative is looking good. Nothing to worry about yet. Let me check the target again. What is the target of Chainlink? To the upside, there would be a target of approximately 42, 43 US dollar. So that's nice. Chainlink US dollar comparative looking good. Let me quickly have a look at the crypto market cap. Total crypto market cap exclude Bitcoin. Let's just have a look what is going on right here. 764 billion, so we have some time to go, right, until we are seeing a trillion. Okay, just interesting to have a look at it. Right now, let's go to Chainlink in the Bitcoin comparative, guys. This is a chart we have been watching so often and yeah, talking so much about here on the channel. We have been trading Chainlink already. Wow, that was not the... I didn't mean to do that. We have been trading Chainlink already right here in the very early stages when Chainlink was breaking out. We've made huge profits, like we had swing trades which were without leverage even over 100%, which was really significant. And yeah, right now Chainlink is also looking very interesting, right? We got similar signals, right? Declining resistance on the RSI, breaking out to the upside. We have a capitulation from its all-time high right here. Bam. We had right here in our buy zone approximately 71%. And the buy zone was nice because Chainlink came into the buy zone, we had a bullish divergence, and then we launched off from it. So that was actually quite nice. Right now we are still like 68% from previous all-time high, and yeah, I think Chainlink is looking bullish. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. So yeah, this level is the level that we were watching, the 23.60%, and let me have a look. Can I extend this level slightly? Yeah, so right here we can see we broke above this level. We came down, we backtested this level, and we had a small wick below it. But yeah, this level so far is holding support. So I have to say, guys, it's looking bullish. I think altcoins are looking bullish. I have one concerning thing for altcoins in the immediate short-term time frame, which I'm going to show you after I'm going to check the live chat. But yeah, that is going to be very interesting. That's a key signal for altcoins in the immediate short-term time frame. But before, guys, let me share my Twitter profile right here. Make sure to follow me over on Twitter. I'm sharing a lot of valuable knowledge over on Twitter, so yeah, make sure to follow me there. And yeah, let's have a look what is going on in the live chat. We got here Newfoundland, Bitcoin will touch 56,000. That's true. Jamaica in the house, 7 o'clock in the morning. I love Jamaica. Yeah, me too. Always sounds so relaxed, right? Cardano, please. Okay, we can have a look at Cardano. Everyone who wants to have a look at Cardano, drop a comment in the chat section. It would be awesome. What do you think about Oh My God network? No, that's a joke, guys. OMG. But I always have to think about Oh My God. Why don't you turn on monetization? Well, I don't want to turn on monetization right now. My YouTube channel is not partnered with YouTube, so normally you shouldn't have any advertisements on there. I want to be in control of that myself. So as you guys know, PrimeXBT is the partner of the channel, and which right now is now and then having some ads running, right? But next to that, there are no ads on the channel. Hayun, can you have a look at ICX BTC lead and Nano, please? Cardano. Okay, we got 3 votes for Cardano already. But first, guys, I wanted to show you that very important signal in for altcoins in the immediate short-term time frame, right? Before we are going there, though, I want to have a quick update. How much people are watching right now? 150 people. Wow, guys, now it's growing. We are going somewhere. This live is getting better and better, guys. If everyone can scroll below this video and hit the thumbs up button, that is so much appreciated, guys. More people will join the lives, and make sure to subscribe to the channel. That is, yeah, very, very much appreciated, guys. Okay, let's go to the signal that I wanted to show you guys, and that is the Bitcoin dominance chart. And as you can see right here, let's first go to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we have been predicting this, right? Like right here, I've already been saying so often, like sometimes it's even getting boring, right? How often I'm talking about this, but I just want you guys to be aware of it. It's a very important level that we are above, that we are testing. And when we are breaking below it, you want to be watching altcoin charts, because that's the moment we are going to see liquidity going to altcoins. And yeah, the moment we broke that, we also saw that liquidity going to altcoins. So that was a nice prediction, right? But yeah, this is just the moments you want to take advantage of. And we already could see that this is breaking out to the downside even before the price actually broke down, because we had the trick of making a line chart right here. Because when you make a line chart, you can see sometimes signals which you don't see in the normal chart, because it's super choppy. Especially charts like the Bitcoin dominance can be very choppy, right? So right here we had a nice bounce of the support, broke below it, and yeah, this was the moment I've been telling you guys that we are going to see an altcoin season. But what do we see right now? What do we see right now? The Bitcoin, the RSI, the momentum is really down, right? It's at oversold conditions. Altcoins have been performing good, and if we go to the 4-hour time frame, we are seeing that we might be forming a bullish divergence. Actually, it's almost confirmed, right? If we won't break below this level again. So let me scroll a little bit right here. Let me show you what I mean, guys. So right here we have a lower high. Right here we had a higher high on the 4-hour time frame, which is quite significant, right? Let me get rid of this line on the RSI. And this is a bullish divergence, which could indicate, guys, that in the next days, so this is the 4-hour chart, in the next days we might be coming up. We might be coming up in the Bitcoin dominance. We might be testing this level 60. So that is actually quite interesting. I've been already expecting actually something like this. And let me check if this line is, so we can see that the 50% Fibonacci retracement tool is aligning with the horizontal form of support, which right now might turn into resistance, right? So right here in the immediate short-term time frame, guys, we could be seeing a bounce. I think that on the one hand that makes sense, and if we have a look at the price of Bitcoin, that would mean if we are going to see a bounce right there, that would mean that we are going to see something happening in the Bitcoin chart. And normally when the Bitcoin dominance is increasing, liquidity goes back to Bitcoin. That equals uncertainty in the markets. People are taking less risk, right? That's how it goes. That's how it works. That can mean two things. Or further drop right here, or we break above, and the focus is on Bitcoin. People want to take profits in Bitcoin. Right now, I definitely do think the chances are more likely to go to the downside in the immediate short-term time frame, because we still haven't broken above the level right here, the neckline, 78.60%. Let me do a retracement right here from the bottom right here to the top. Then the 61.80% would be 54,000. Yeah, it is possible that we are going to see one more retracement right here. We're going down. And then eventually we have another try for this level and we can break above. That would make sense for Bitcoin if Bitcoin wants to continue its bullish scenario. And it would make sense for Bitcoin, any Bitcoin dominance, to increase when Bitcoin is going to see a drop right here. So guys, I'm not saying this is going to happen. I'm just saying this is a potential scenario where you can prepare for, right? So that is something that I'm watching. But that's the signal what I think right now is important. Bullish divergence, Bitcoin dominance. Most of the time, especially on the 4-hour time frame, is just showing us that short-term time frame, most likely going to see an increase. Maybe won't be too significant, but yeah, can be seeing an increase right here. Liquidity going back to Bitcoin. Some altcoins doing retracing slightly, because we have seen a nice pump in the Bitcoin comparative, right? That's definitely possible. But guys, let's go back to the Bitcoin chart, and yeah, let me know in the chat section which chart you want me to have a look at. Then in the meantime, I'm going to have a look at what is going on in the chat. Nice, man, you are doing good work. Thank you, Sushant. Thank you, thank you. Hello, hello. Thumbs up, ADA. Okay, we are going to have a look at Cardano next. Just like and subscribe. Jeremy, thank you so much. That's awesome. So not invest in alts, well, yeah, like today, tomorrow might be a worse timing if you consider like the next days. But in general, I think I do think, guys, if you haven't watched today's video, make sure to watch it. I'm talking about the macro perspective in Bitcoin. I've been here since 2016. I personally think we are about to enter the mania phase, the euphoric phase, where you definitely want to be positioned in altcoins. Unless we are seeing signals in the Bitcoin dominance otherwise, right? So guys, wait, let me first check how many people are tuned in right now in the live stream. We get 213 people, we get 94 likes. Guys, it would be awesome if we could reach 100 likes on today's live stream. So if everybody could scroll below this video, hit the thumbs up button, super much appreciated. Also make sure to hit the subscribers button, hit the bell icon so you get notified whenever I go live and whenever I upload a new video. Then we are going to have a look at Cardano. Let's do that, guys. Let's go to Cardano in the US dollar comparative. Haven't had a look at this chart that much lately. Okay, this is the 4-hour chart. Let's go to the daily time frame. So that's the thing, guys. Sometimes with altcoins, people asking me, yeah, should I trade that with leverage? Well, dude, if I see this wick right here, this is cracking though. Damn, this is just crazy, right? Sometimes in altcoins we are seeing this. So we already have a lot of volatility with Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin is already volatile. Ethereum, well, it's even more volatile, less liquidity, of course. But other altcoins, everything below Ethereum, yeah, it can be extremely volatile. And of course, you can have big rewards to the upside. That is also possible. So there's two sides to the story. But yeah, do take in mind that if you are trading this with leverage, there's just a high risk. And you can make so much gains when you just use this with spot trading. So I don't think it's necessary to trade this with leverage. That's my opinion, guys. I always have a low risk profile. Everybody knows that who's following me right here on the channel. But yeah, what do we see in Cardano right now? So actually, let's zoom a little bit out right here. This goes till 2018. Okay, so this is the US dollar comparative, which is less interesting than the Bitcoin comparative. The Bitcoin comparative is going to be more interesting, but right now we just see bullish signs, right? Cardano is moving in a sideways range. Price is going sideways. Bam. RSI is going down, creating more space for upwards momentum. So price most likely goes sideways. And the moment we are breaking above this resistance in the RSI, bam, we are going to see price make another leg to the upside. That's just basically what I'm seeing in this chart. Unless we are breaking this horizontal support in the RSI, unless we are breaking that level decisively, things might be looking bearish. But right now, things are just looking bullish. Adana in the US dollar comparative. So yeah, that's the US dollar comparative, right? Let me get rid of these drawings, otherwise next time I'm making a video you guys will have seen all these drawings. Let's go to ADA BTC, very important chart. But yeah, before let me quickly check what's going on in the chat. Ethereum, please. We just had a look at Ethereum. Cardano is the female version of Cardano, right? Oh, joking, guys, joking. Can you send me some coins? No, actually not. 2-0. Okay, the soccer match ended. Okay. Awesome, guys. Awesome. Yeah, BNB token is actually going quite crazy, right? XMR, we could have a look at that. We first going to continue with Cardano. Okay, guys. So let's scroll out right here. Okay, so we have a all-time high right here. Cardano in the Bitcoin comparative right here. Bam, so much higher than we are trading right now, which is at 8,750 satoshis, which would be an increase from the levels right now, approximately a 300% increase. So in the Bitcoin comparative, guys, I still think there's a lot of room for Cardano to grow, okay? I think Cardano is not looking that bearish. And if we have a look at these levels, we have here a very significant level, which is acting as resistance, which was former support. It was right here, support, resistance. And right now this level is being tested as support. That is very interesting because it's also a 61.80% golden retracement if we calculate from the bottom right here till the top right here. So slightly below that right now, right? So this is, so far, it's actually looking good. And as long as we are trading above these levels and the ultimate level right here to the downside, approximately 1815 Satoshis, I think Cardano is actually looking quite good in the Bitcoin comparative. We could even be seeing some bullish momentum in the shorter term time frame. I don't think this is too significant. We don't have that much touches, but yeah, it is looking interesting. And there's still a lot of space to grow right here. So in the Bitcoin comparative, I think Cardano is looking quite good, guys. Hello Omar, hello everybody. Can you teach us how to predict the market? I'm new to crypto. Well, I have a cryptocurrency trading course, Shady, where I'm explaining actually everything I know about how to analyze the markets and how to create your own profitable cryptocurrency trading strategy. If you guys are interested in that, you can find more information on the blockchaintoday.com. Right now I have a discount. You can get a $100 discount if you use the code, this one, I will share it right here, blockchain 100. You get a $100 discount, guys. I think the course is actually awesome. So far I only got good reactions, and for a lot of people the course has been life changing. Soon I will share some testimonials about people who have done the course, because I get a lot of positive reactions. Can you check RSR, please? Let's first have a look at XMR real quick. Let's have a look at XMR, Bitcoin comparative, the privacy token. So the thing is, I don't get me wrong, guys, I love Monero. I think it's an awesome token. I think privacy is one of the most important things as well, and we are going to see privacy more coming in the crypto markets, and it's going to be a huge important aspect. But if I just look technically at this chart, right now it's not looking that interesting. There are so many charts which are looking interesting, and I think if you look at the technology, Monero is looking very interesting. But if we just look at the technical chart right now, at this specific moment, I first want to see a little bit more firework right here. I want to see XMR breaking above a certain level, really getting a more bullish, bullish bias back. Let's go to the weekly time frame. The thing is also with these altcoins, they are sometimes very choppy. Look at this price action; it's very choppy. It's super hard to analyze, right? Especially looking on the daily time frame, it's just difficult to analyze. So sometimes it's better to zoom out, like we do with Litecoin. So let's go to the weekly time frame right here. So okay, when we have a look at the weekly time frame, I'm going to switch my opinion slightly here, because the weekly is actually looking more interesting. We have a clear lower low right here on the weekly time frame, but in the RSI we are setting a clear higher low, which is a bullish divergence. So which is not really visible on the daily time frame, because if we have a look at the daily time frame, just to show you again, guys, it's super choppy. Just look at this. It's really hard to make any sense out of what is going on right here. But yeah, if we go to the weekly time frame, it's more organized, right? So that's what I'm also suggesting with trading altcoins and altcoin season. Try really to catch the broader swing trades. Don't try to catch every single intraday trade. Just really try to get the swing trades. But actually on the weekly time frame, this is looking quite good. We have a nice bullish divergence. We are testing some form of resistance on the momentum indicator on the weekly right here. See, this level has been acting as resistance multiple times, has been acting as support. We got rejected from it. I think if the weekly right now is going to break above this level right here, and this level flips into support, I think that can be actually quite bullish, guys. So yeah, I'm going to have a flexible opinion right here. I think on a weekly time frame, I think XMR is not looking too bearish. It's not looking too bearish, guys. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? What do you guys think about privacy? You think privacy is something that belongs in the crypto markets? I personally do think it's super important. It's super important, guys. How many people are on the stream right now? We have 200 people in the stream. Awesome, guys. Awesome. If every one of you could scroll below this video and hit the thumbs up button, super much appreciated, guys. And let me know if you want me to have a look at some charts like the P-cycle top indicator, or maybe any other chart on the look into bitcoin.com or whatsoever. Then let me quickly go to the chat. Okay, we have somebody spamming RSR. We can have a look. Hey Bar, we did have a look at. Let's have a look at. Let's have a look. How do you know it's altcoin season? Well, when the Bitcoin dominance is breaking key, Bitcoin dominance breaking key support. Let's have a look at Matic. We did also. I want to have a look at H-bar. I think it's funny. Let's have a look at H-bar and the Bitcoin comparative. Okay, this is quite interesting. We broke above a key level right here. Bam, we broke above that level, and right now this level is flipping support. I would say, like just basic TA guys, I would say as long as we are trading above this level, I think H-bar is looking good in the Bitcoin comparative. If we were to break below this level, I think it's going to be more bearish, and this level is 550 satoshis approximately, guys, approximately. So guys, how many people we have in the stream right now? Okay, awesome. We got 207 people in the stream, guys. This is so nice. Let's do it. Let's do another chart. Let me go back to the chat right here. We got Ben loving the art in the kitchen. Awesome, awesome. Bitcoin is pumping. Okay, guys, let's have a look at Bitcoin. Is Bitcoin really pumping right now? Let's go to Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin going above the 61.80%. Maybe going for another try at the 78.60%. Might break the declining resistance on the RSI. That would be very bullish, guys. I would love to see Bitcoin breaking its previous all-time high. That would be crazy, right? We could see not a lot of firework coming back to the Bitcoin chart. That would be awesome, guys. That would be really great. That would be really, really great. Guys, let's do one more chart right here. We do one more chart and link. Okay, we are going to do link ETH. That I think is very interesting. One more chart, guys. Then we are going to call it a day for today. Inverse head and shoulders. Yeah, I know. It's potentially an inverse head and shoulders. That's possible. Okay, let's check. Let's first go to link in the Ethereum comparative. Let's go to link ETH. So what is going on right here? Okay, so not much. We are testing. We have wow, this is actually looking super similar as Link BTC. Just to refresh your mind, guys, let's go quickly to Link BTC. Bam, that looks like a similar structure, right? In it. So that's quite funny. But yeah, let's just have a look at this. We have a kind of clear. Yeah, declining resistance is a little bit choppy right here. That's the thing with altcoins, guys. Sometimes the price action is just quite choppy. But yeah, we have to take it or leave it, right? We are here to make money, and yeah, we just have to learn to deal with that. It's just low liquidity, low market cap. That's the reason why we are seeing this volatility spikes, honestly. So right now we are testing actually a nice support level. So this could be a nice buying opportunity. We are watching on a daily time frame. If we are seeing bullish divergence right here on the 4 hour, I think it's bullish. So let's have a look. Yes, we got a bullish divergence on the 4 hour time frame. Like sometimes I can just feel that this is actually the case. So we got a lower low in the chart right here, and we got a high low in the RSI, which is bullish divergence, and yeah, can predict a trend reversal right here. Right here we had a bullish divergence as well, just to show you how powerful these can be, guys. Lower low in the chart, higher low in the RSI. Bam! How much increase was this? 35% increase, guys. That's crazy. And if we were to break the declining resistance right here, can be extra bullish as well. So yeah, I think this short-term time frame Link ETH comparative is looking bullish and interesting, guys. You bring that up. These charts I think are quite interesting. So thank you for that. Thank you so much. What is your Bitcoin target for this year? Well, honestly, guys, Thomas, I don't have an exact target. I think Bitcoin can top out between 100,000 and 300,000 US dollars. That's a very broad range. I know I'm going to monitor Bitcoin while it's in its cycle, and I'm going to try to predict when we are getting closer to a top with a lot of macro charts. So everybody who wants to be up to date there whenever Bitcoin is going to top out, in my opinion, due to all these macro charts, make sure to hit the subscribe button, make sure to hit the bell icon so you get notified whenever I'm going to upload that video in the near future. And make sure to watch today's videos, guys, because today's video is about the macro perspective of Bitcoin, which is very, very important. What coins you have the most in your portfolio? Well, my biggest altcoin portfolio right now is Ethereum, Chainlink, Polkadot. Thanks a lot for your help. Great to listen to you every day. Joe Akon, thank you so much. That's super sweet of you. Thank you for listening every day. Thank you for listening every day. I really appreciate that, guys. Is Ren going to break out? Okay, guys, let's quickly have a look at Ren then. When going to break out? I assume Bitcoin comparative. Okay, we didn't hit our buy target. This was our buying target, to be honest, the 78.60%. So right now we get already slightly above it, 68.80%. Yeah, makes sense to buy right here if you are bullish on Ren. I think Ren, guys, altcoins, they look similar, right? So Chainlink is looking very similar to Ethereum. Structure in the Bitcoin comparative is just looking, or in the US dollar comparative, looking very similar. But right here, this, guys, this is a nice game. Which chart is this looking at? Ren BTC. Which chart is this looking at? Let me know, guys. Let me know. What do you think? Which chart we just had a look at in today's live stream is looking so much like Ren? So we have Chainlink looking super similar like Ethereum. They have like similar price behavior. Ren has similar price behavior as another altcoin. So let me know what you guys think. What do you guys think? What do you think about XRP? Well, we traded XRP a lot of times on the channel right here. I think right now is not the best entry point. To be honest, we haven't had a look at it as well that long. I will analyze it in the near future. Have a look at XRP. But guys, let me know, at which chart is this looking at? What do you think about creating your own ERC20 token? Well, I think it's not so necessary to do it in these times, right? Hello, sir, what does a Bitcoin monthly expire means? Well, most likely you mean like the monthly expiration of the Bitcoin futures. Please check Swiss bars. Okay, guys. Ren, very good to invest. Can you please have a look at RDN, please? Well, yeah, Ren is good. And guys, I want to show you, Ren is really looking a lot like ADA, right? ADA in the Bitcoin comparative, right? We have a falling wedge pattern right here as well. Breakout to the upside. And yeah, retracing back to the 61.80%. So that was the right answer. Can you tell about Cardano, brother? I did that right here on the live stream, guys. Thanks, man. I think Ren was a good buy. I bought at 98 cents. Okay, awesome, guys. Awesome. How many people we have right now? We got 236 people in the live stream. That's actually really amazing, guys. I really appreciate having all of you right here in the live stream. And it would be awesome if every single one of you can scroll below this video, hit the thumbs up button, and subscribe to the channel. Make sure to hit the bell icon so you get notified whenever I upload a new video, guys. And also, guys, everyone, make sure to follow me over on Twitter, where I share a lot of TA right here, a lot of valuable information about funding rate, some funny memes. Yeah, also a lot TA, what I think is going to happen with the Bitcoin price, a lot of fundamental analysis as well. And right now we have a giveaway going on where you can get, I'm giving away 20 times 60,000 Satoshis and 3 times 300,000 Satoshis for the Prime XBT platform to trade. And the only thing you need to do is like and retweet this tweet, follow me on Twitter, and join Prime XBT with the link right here. And we'll share the link to the tweet right here as well. And then you can win one of these prizes. And we don't have a lot of participants yet, so right now everybody would already win. So make sure to participate, guys. That is going to be a lot of fun. And guys, I had an awesome time with you right here in this live stream. Make sure to watch today's video. It's really good about the macro perspective of Bitcoin, when Bitcoin, I think, is going to top out, where we are in this cycle. Very important. Make sure to like, make sure to subscribe. Thank you so much for all your support, guys. It was really awesome. And I will see every single one of you in the next video.